Alright, so we're gonna repair this line here that was broken due to pulling a tree out. And you can see that we've got these pieces shattered here and then this cut down here. So we're first gonna cut off the ends a few inches back and make sure that we get all the dirt. Can you see that? Got dirt in there, and so we want to wipe our finger back as far as we can to get as much of the dirt out of the pipe. And then we also want to look for any cracks that would continue up the pipe from the break. So if you had like a crack that came up here and it still was here, then it would still be in this area, so you'd want to cut it back further. And then you'll come down on this side where you've got it exposed and cut it further back because there's probably dirt that got in it. Now that dirt got in there. So once we've got it cut, we can we got our coupler and then our slit fix disc telescopes out. And what we're going to do first is glue our coupler on.
It's showing red.
No.
Haven't ever filmed before. New experience for me.
So glue both pieces of the pipe, or the fitting and the piece of pipe. Push it on until it hits the stop. Good and secure. And then we want to get a general length on our piece of pipe that we're going to be installing. So somewhere in there. And glue that side, glue that side. Push it in and hold it. It really only takes about 10 seconds to be to where you can't move it much. And then if we come back, see this telescope's out. So you want to push it all the way in so that's at the shortest. We're going to glue this on first. And that's where the sprinkler will hook into. So we glue that in, and we then come back over here, glue that on, push it in over the way. Usually if you're gluing in a T like this, you like to keep it straight that way, because if it was straight up and down, you'd not only have less cover, but if you have the elbow that goes in them sticking like this, you don't want to get stepped on and snap going down, whereas this way something steps on it or pushes, the pipe takes the brunt of the force. So then if we're pushed in all the way, come back here and we can cut right where the end of the split fix is. Glue both ends, pull it and hold it. And your repair's done.
Slick.
So you want about 5 minutes before you turn the water back on to double check and make sure that all your connections are good, and you'll be able to spin the elbow in and then throw in your flex pipe with your sprinkler head on it. So that's it.